Hello again. Welcome to Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English. Question: why do people go on a diet? Why do people go on a diet? Answer: to lose weight. Short and simple answer: to lose weight. How can you make that answer a little more emphatic, a little stronger, a little more formal? You can use one of these two phrases: in order to and so as to. For example, he went on a diet in order to lose weight, or she went on a diet so as to lose weight. They make the sentence a little more stronger, much more stronger than just she went on a diet to lose weight. So as to and in order to. And of course, you can use two negative forms: in order not to and so as not to. For example, he went on a diet in order not to be overweight, or she went on a diet so as not to be overweight. In English grammar, you can't say she went on a diet not to be fat. That's not possible. So there we are. English grammar: in order to and so as to. They are easy peasy. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time on Uncle Geoff's Easy Peasy English in order for you to improve your skills. Bye-bye for now.